I am to report at 8:45. I went out into the hallway. I had to wait. And when I did, the house is ice cold. Let me plug both of my ears. This is hell on earth here. Let me just keep them because I can't take this anymore. Okay. I went to the bathroom to bleach and sanitize the attempted murder through chemical poisoning that just happened to me this morning. The emergency bowl. I take it out, and as I open the door, the house is like a freezer. I'm not going to describe more. They're clearly doing it on purpose. And the TV is blasting at rock concert volume. It blasts, but right now it's at its rock concert volume from the basement. It's on some sort of random television program. I don't believe it was Talk News Radio or Talk News. I go into the bathroom and I flush and rinse, and I'm doing the sanitation now. And by the first flush, once I had done that, I hear a terrorist racing panorama over my head. Panorama they were, barefoot and sprinting around, up and down the hallway, in and out of rooms. Panorama. Constant motion, sprinting around. That's fucking phenomenal. I continued to flush. I had to flush a few times. I had to do things to sanitize and rinsing, like I said, about 6 good minutes. All right, so I'm done with that. And when I'm done with that, I hear the clicking, this thumping, clicking sound they set up, and I'm not allowed to talk about it. Not a word about it is up my lip. And I don't believe I hear a terrorist anymore beyond what I'm not allowed to talk about. And at that point, when I open the door, the TV in the basement is fucking off. Everything's nice and quiet. I go back into my room. There's no TV blasting over my head. It's just empty now. And I am to report this.